Hi, I'm Dion, and I'm super sad that I couldn't make the Zoom meeting because I got disconnected. So, my P was proximity. And so, my last class that I took before this class was Family 445, and that's a practicum for marriage and family. And in that class, you have to um, come up with some workshops. And so, me and my partner decided to do two 2-hour workshops. And so we did all the work for it, and then we had people come. And the first half of the first workshop, both of us just kind of stood behind the podium, and it was kind of awkward, and it was kind of weird. And um, they didn't know us, we didn't know them, and it just kind of felt um, mm, bad. So the second half of the workshop, we took the podium down, we got into chairs, and we sat with our group and we talked to them. And when we did that, it really did help the presentation because people felt like they were just part of something. We weren't just talking to them, they were part of the presentation, they were part of the learning. And so they felt more open to talk and to listen. And so learning that not being so stiff and not standing behind the podium was so big and so important in having the discussion. And reading it now, I wish I had learned that before I had taken that class. But to know that stepping away from the podium and making your audience feel more at home and more apart is such a huge thing. And that's why proximity is important. Thanks.